let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
What's up, lifers? I've already shot this video once, but we're gonna do it again. I didn't like the way it turned out. I've been getting a little camping gear here and there. A couple weeks ago, I decided I need a saw. It's the Bacho Laplander. I had a saw, but it's flimsy. This one seems to be built a little bit better. I'll do a video with using it. Yeah, we probably won't get a fucking video shot today though, because in and out, and she'll come talk to us while we're doing it. And I'm about done with fucking people, really I am. All of them. Everybody in my life, I'm about done with. But anyway, Bacho Laplander. Well, you think with all these limbs now, I have to go find a tree to cut with it. I'll be back just a second. Tell them, fuck you, filming. Alright, let's see if it'll cut. It would probably be better like on a tree. Like that shit right there. I mean, wow, sharp it'll cut you. But yeah, something that had a solid base, you wasn't just trying to freehold you. It wouldn't be bad. But I'll link it in the description. It was a package deal. It was fairly cheap. I think it was $30 for the knife and the saw. And I'm more impressed with the knife than I am the saw, I'll be honest. But yeah, if I had a vise or something this was in, it would be easier to do. But oh well, we don't. But like, it'll cut, it'll do what I need it to do. Because if I'm cutting firewood, I'm going to have a vise built of some sort. I'm just playing right now. But the knife, it says it's a Bacho Laplander too, but it's a Mora. I mean, to be honest, it's made in Sweden, stainless steel. It is sharp, like really sharp. So for the money I spent, got good sheath. It'll clip on. You can wear it as a neck knife if you wanted to. You can clip it on your belt, on your jeans, whatever you want to do. It's a good sheath. I'll link it in the description. For the money, you can't beat it, I promise. I'd buy it again. Y'all go check it out. I'll have it in the link. Y'all go check it out and tell me what you think about it. You made it through this little short cringy video. Like, share, subscribe, and we gone.